Hey collectors! Today we're looking at the 1966 Washington Quarter. A classic piece of U.S. history. On the front, we have George Washington, the first president of the United States. Facing left, a design that has been on quarters since 1932. Flip it over, and you'll see the American eagle with outstretched wings, symbolizing strength and freedom. The 1966 quarter is part of the copper-nickel clad series, introduced after 1965 to replace silver content. While most 1966 quarters are common in circulation, collectors always check for errors, proof versions, or uncirculated coins, which can increase value. If you find a 1966 quarter in excellent condition, it's a perfect addition to your collection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support the channel. Rare coins and lost antique. Stay tuned for more hidden coin treasures.